Feels like forever, still I think of you often. Seasons of Seinfeld in that shitty apartment.
Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create this happy birthday video editing using InShot video editor. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful, comment down your thoughts below, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. First things first is to open InShot video editor and create a new video project with your birthday photo. Now let's go to canvas and zoom in the photo. Make sure it is set to 9:16. Now let's zoom in the photo. Perfect. Now the next step is to change the background of the photo. So go to background and select the third blur option. So right now we've added a blur to the background. So let's just swipe down the photo so that it doesn't show anymore. Perfect. Now we only have the blur part of the photo. The next step is to increase the duration to around 10 to 15 seconds. Now the next step is to go to PIP and add your birthday photo again. So clip the photo to the end. Next, go to mask and select the circle mask so we can adjust the size. Perfect. Now let's add other materials. The first material I'm going to add, you'll find the link to download it in the description. So add the material right now. So tap full screen. Next, go to blend and select screen. Perfect. So let's increase the size of the material and place it around the photo. Perfect. Now the next step is to add other materials. So we can get these materials from InShot material library. So go to PIP again and add the material. So in the atmosphere section, select this material. Now increase the size and make sure its border is around the photo border. Perfect. Now you can duplicate it so that it covers the entire video. Now split and delete the excess parts. Split and delete the excess parts. Perfect. Now the next step is to add this one more material from InShot material library in the atmosphere section. So scroll down and you will see this material here, this starry material. Now make it full screen and duplicate it so that it covers the entire video. So the next step is to add music from your device or from InShot music library. So I'm going to go to music, add music from my device. So I will split and delete the part I don't want from the music. Split and delete. So here is the final result.
Feels like forever, still I think of you often. Seasons of Seinfeld in that shitty apartment.
And that's it guys, how to create an happy birthday video editing with InShot video editor. So thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one. Much love I got for you. Peace.